In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist stop email going to spam in Outlook. If important messages keep landing in your junk folder, the quickest fix is to whitelist the sender or their entire domain so Outlook knows those emails are safe. I'll show you how to do this in both classic Outlook on the desktop and the new or web version of Outlook, and I'll share a few quick tips to make sure everything works smoothly. Let's start with classic Outlook on your desktop. Open Outlook and make sure you're on the Home tab. At the top, find the Junk button and choose Junk Email Options. In the window that opens, switch to the Save Senders tab. This is the trusted list that tells Outlook what should always arrive in your inbox. Click Add, then type the email address you want to trust, or enter the sender's domain if you want to allow all messages from that organization. For example, you could add example.com to trust every address from that domain. When you're done, click OK, then apply to save your changes. From now on, Outlook will recognize those senders and let future messages bypass the junk folder automatically. Now let's do the same in the new or web version of Outlook. Open Outlook in your browser and click the gear icon in the upper right to open Settings. At the bottom of the panel, select View All Outlook Settings. Go to Mail, then Junk Email. Scroll to the Save Senders and Domains section. Click the Add button, enter the email address or the domain you want to trust, and then select Save. That's it. Messages from those senders will go straight to your inbox going forward. A few quick notes to keep things running smoothly. Whitelisting an entire domain is convenient if you trust all email from a company, but only do this for domains you know are legitimate. If you just need messages from a single person, adding the exact email address is safer. Double-check spelling when you add entries. Even a small typo can prevent the whitelist from working. Also, whitelisting affects future emails, so it won't automatically move anything that's already in junk, but it will stop new messages from going there. Keeping your safe senders list tidy is a good habit. If your needs change later, you can return to the same screens to edit or remove entries. With these steps, you'll spend less time rescuing messages from junk and more time focusing on what matters. Thanks for watching.